Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ProSeries tax software, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall ProSeries tax software, start by closing the program if it is currently open. Locate the Start menu on your desktop or taskbar. Click on the Start menu to open it. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. The Control Panel window will appear. Look for the option labeled Programs or Programs and Features. Click on Programs. Under Programs and Features, find the option that says Uninstall a program and click on it. A list of installed programs will display. Scroll through the list until you find ProSeries. Once you locate ProSeries, click on it to highlight the program. At the top of the window, you will see an Uninstall option. Click on the Uninstall button. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you are sure you want to uninstall. Click Yes or OK to proceed with the uninstallation. The uninstallation process will begin, and it may take a few moments. Follow any prompts that may appear during the uninstallation. Once the process is complete, the program will be removed from your computer. To ensure that all components are deleted, check for any remaining folders. Open File Explorer and navigate to this PC. Look for the Program Files or Program Files, x86, folder. Open the folder and check for any folders labeled ProSeries. If found, right-click on the folder and select Delete. You have successfully uninstalled ProSeries tax software from your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.